Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I want to talk about something a lot of new dropshippers keep asking me. Is Sellvia actually worth using? Or is it just another shiny promise that falls apart once you look behind the curtain? I tested it myself, and what I found might save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. So let's get straight into it. When you land on Sellvia's website, everything looks impressive. They highlight successful niche stores, car accessories, baby products, gardening stores, each supposedly generating tens of thousands of dollars in monthly revenue within just a couple of months. For anyone starting out, that kind of claim sounds almost magical. But the moment I checked these stores more closely, things started to look off. For example, the Cherry Kid store, which Sellvia claims hits nearly $50,000 a month, only had around a dozen products. Every product had nearly identical imported reviews that looked straight out of AliExpress. No real customer photos, no variation, nothing that actually supports the idea of tens of thousands in sales. Then I looked at the gardening store. Again, supposedly doing over $100,000 a month. Same story. Barely 10 products, the exact same type of suspicious reviews, and the design looked like a cookie cutter template. And here's the kicker. Their supposed Facebook page hadn't posted anything since 2020. A high revenue active store should not look abandoned online. At this point, I was already skeptical, but it gets worse. I checked Trustpilot and Sellvia had multiple fake reviews removed. Yes, removed, because they appeared to be purchased or manipulated. And when you scroll through the feedback that is legitimate, you'll see a pattern of negative experiences from real users. A lot of the 5-star reviews come from accounts with only one review ever posted, which is a classic red flag in itself. Then there's the onboarding process. The moment you click Start for Free, instead of showing transparent store data or real results, Sellvia pushes you straight to a checkout page requiring your card information, not a genuine free trial, just a paywall disguised as one. If a platform truly believes in what they're offering, they shouldn't be afraid to let you explore before handing over your credit card. And to top it off, even the 2 success stories they promote but don't allow you to view directly raised a huge question for me. If these stores are real and doing so well, why hide them? Why not proudly showcase them instead of funneling people straight into payment? When I combined all these red flags, recycled reviews, questionable revenue claims, inactive social pages, fake Trustpilot reviews, and an aggressive paywall, it became very clear to me that Sellvia is not something I can confidently recommend to anyone trying to build a legitimate dropshipping business. If you're interested in dropshipping, there are real ways to make money, but this isn't one of the tools I'd trust to help you get there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helps you avoid some costly mistakes. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.